Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or enable two-step verification or authentication on Google. So if you want to enable two-step authentication on your Google account, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do is go ahead and open the Google application on your phone or Gmail. So the first approach is just open the Gmail application. This could be on Android and could be on iPhone. Click on your profile icon at the top right. Select manage your Google account. Once you selected manage your Google account, swipe through the navigation and select security. Once you selected security, you want to scroll down the security page until you get to two-step verification under how you sign into Google. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. So go ahead, confirm your password, and then click on the next button. Once you hit the next button, just hang on a couple of seconds as well. Then you see that says turn on two-step verification. Now to turn on two-step verification on your Google account or Gmail, all you need to do is go ahead and click on turn on two-step verification. Then you see turning on two-step, and they're going to see that says you are now protected with two-step verification. Then you have device prompt and then you have phone number verification. Now go ahead and click on done, and then that is it. Your two-step verification is now enabled, and then you're good. So that is basically how to turn on or enable two-step authentication or verification on Google. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.